Welcome to this week's offering, focusing on breath awareness and breath practice. Simple exercises you can build into your day. There are a number of others. I've done two already, and then there are some built in from the past year. So please check out my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, I invite you to. I'd love to have you part of the community. Today's exercise brings together a few different tools, different exercises that I've come across through my trainings and through my life experience, and I've kind of brought them in together. And the term that sometimes people have said to me, and I kind of brought it into my heart, is it's a Margot-ness way of approaching something, or a Margot-ness tool or gift. So we're going to use a heart body nurturing gesture. Very simple. We've done it in other videos if you've been around. One hand on the heart and one hand on your belly and your gut somewhere. So you've got that physical connection. So let's start here and then I'll continue on. So just tuning in, feeling your feet on the floor, bringing those hands in contact with your body. Find your natural breath. And then we're going to move the lower hand up to the heart, so both hands are in the heart. And we're tuning into heart resonance. So what is the energy of our own personal heart? And we're going to tune in to that heart resonance through our breath. So inhaling and feel the expansion of your chest. Hold for a moment. Exhale completely. Inhale again. Hold and exhale. Continue to breathe naturally as I share a little more. So we're going to come back to that intentional breath where we inhale and hold in just a moment. And we're going to expand not only through the front of the heart where the hands are, but also through the side body and into our back. So there's a full circular expansion happening around our heart center. So let's breathe together. Inhaling. Expand all the way around. Hold and exhale completely. 3 more of that full expansion all the way around. Inhale. Expanding the heart. Exhale. Inhale. Heart-centered inhale. Expand all around. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Noticing the resonance of your heart, the vibration, the energy. Exhale and release. A relatively straightforward practice, and it's an uber important practice, as most of them that I offer are, I believe. Some of them will fit your life more than others, and some of them will feel more right for you than others. This one is uber important to me because we live, as humans, mostly in our heads. The majority of people live in our heads, of us, and society lives mostly in the head. There's certainly more change and more calling to the heart for us to live through our heart. And for our heads, because our minds are awesome, we need minds and they're brilliant, and the head can be at service to the heart. So if we can acknowledge the heart and power it up a little more, there's just that much more love available, more peace, more more contentment, that life that kind of flows along. So thank you for tuning in today. I hope that you can take this practice into your life, connect more with your heart, and join this heart movement. And I'll be doing it, so I'll feel that energy when you're doing it. So again, thanks for being here. Be well.